Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. So I've showed you guys how to walk in a sari, how to sit in a sari, how to pose in a sari. But you've asked me, how do you, Tia, get in and out of a car? How do you go up and down the stairs comfortably in a sari? So I'm gonna show you that in today's video. We can't do that in the studio, so let's go outside and I'll share some of my tips. Okay, so to go up or down the stairs, what you want to do is if you are wearing a hanging pallu, you want to take the other end and hold it. And then you want to grab all of the pleats with the same hand. If you're holding anything with the other hand, you can, your other hand is free to do that. And this is the method you use whether to go up or down the stairs. Getting into a car is very similar to walking up and down the stairs. I just like to have anything that's loose secured. So if I am wearing a hanging pallu, what I'll do is gather it up and put it on my shoulder. This is so that I can gather the rest of the pallu and keep it in my hand. And if you are wearing a pleated pallu, you want to just like bring it forward and keep it here because you don't want to sit on it because that'll pull on your shoulder and that won't be very comfortable. And then what I like to do is grab all of the pleats because you don't want to step on any of the pleats. And then I'm good to go. And then I just get into the car, one foot, and then get in like so. And you're comfortable, you can sit back. What I like to do is gather up the bottom of the sari and kind of just tuck it under me. This is so that the bottom of the sari doesn't get dirty from your car floor. I hate the look of dirty edges or dirty bottom of the sari, especially when you're wearing a silk sari or a sari that's of a lighter color. And then getting out of the car is pretty much the same thing. You want to just take a hold of your pallu, grab all of your pleats, and then get out like that. Shake out all of the pleats, bring down your pallu, and you're ready for the event. I hope you enjoyed that. If you have any questions or if you have any tips for me or things that you do differently in terms of how you get in and out of a car or go up and down the stairs, I'd love to know in the comment box below. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in a future video.